Hey guys, it's Kylie J and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a makeup video to share with you guys. I'd like to start off by saying that if you like my hair color, I do have a video already posted on my channel where I went through the process of coloring it, and it was definitely a challenge to make it happen. So yeah, if you want to check that out, feel free to do so. I will also have it linked down in the description. So because of the way I edited this video and the pace that it goes and how quickly it changes through the scenes, if that even makes sense, are these scenes? Maybe clips would be a better word. So we'll go with that. As it goes through these clips really quickly, I'm just gonna let the video speak primarily for itself. I will put all of the products that I used in the description. So if there's anything in particular that you're curious about, that would be the place to check out. And you can also leave any questions in the comment section if you have any. It's pretty self-explanatory, and my makeup, as far as like my routine, and even a large number of the products that I use really haven't changed over the years. There's been some changes, but it pretty much just remains the same. The only difference is how I apply my makeup, I guess, or the makeup look in general. Now, with all of that to the side, please enjoy the video. And that is the completed makeup look and my outfit. If you'd like to see the content that I shared on my Instagram, then you can go ahead and check it out there. My username is the same as it is here. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye.